Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best product reviews and comparisons. In today's video, we will be comparing Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system and Google Wi-Fi. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. So let's get started. When it comes to coverage, both the Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system and Google Wi-Fi offer amazing coverage of up to 4,500 square featuring. However, if you have a smaller space, the Google Wi-Fi system provides a cheaper option with a single pack covering up to 1,500 square featuring. Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system's coverage is slightly better than its competitor. Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system takes the lead in this category by providing larger coverage. Both Google Wi-Fi and Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system are compatible with your internet service provider. However, Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system replaces your Wi-Fi router and works with most major internet service providers, which is more convenient. In addition, Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system has a feature to work with Alexa to offer voice control over your network profiles. Therefore, Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system is slightly better than Google Wi-Fi in this category. Setting up the Google Wi-Fi mesh network and Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system is fairly easy and straightforward with no major differences between the two. Google Wi-Fi setup takes about 10 to 15 minutes and can be done through the Google Home app. On the other hand, the Eero app guides you through setup and allows you to manage your network from anywhere. Therefore, as both the Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system and Google Wi-Fi have similar setups, this category is a tie between the two. Both Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system and Google Wi-Fi offer additional features through their compatible apps. Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system uses TrueMesh technology to reduce drop-offs and dead spots, and the network receives automatic updates to keep the network safe and secure. Google Wi-Fi, on the other hand, offers parental controls to manage screen time and restrict certain kind of adult content. However, Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system offers more features than Google Wi-Fi. Amazon Eero follows up ahead in the category of additional features. Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system comes at the price of $169, while the Google Wi-Fi is priced at $76. However, it is important to note that Google Wi-Fi comes with only one pack which covers up to 1,500 square feet, making it suitable for smaller spaces. Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system comes with Eero that helps reduce drop-off and dead spots between rooms. The price of Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system can be considered as an investment in a reliable Wi-Fi network that can last a lifetime. Therefore, Google Wi-Fi is cheaper than Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system, but Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system is more reliable in terms of network coverage. That's about it for today's video, everyone. We hope you enjoyed watching the comparison review between Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system and Google Wi-Fi. Both products have their own pros and cons, and it's up to you to decide which one is best for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below which product you prefer, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing comparison videos.